Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Tanegashima. Here it is. I wanted something easy to make, and I made a few of them already. Quick and easy. And I think they were mostly match lock, but there were some conversion to cap lock later on. So you can make, one of these version as well. Okay. So first you need a half of square sheet of paper, like so. I already ripped one from a square sheet of paper, so I guess you can make two of them from one square sheet of paper. So first you want to fold it in half, like so. Okay, and then you want to bring these edges to the center crease line right here. Okay, and same thing on the other side, so flip it over and fold that up like that. Okay, and now you see these corners, so there should be a W right here. See that W, and you see these corners right here. So you want to fold this edge, and you want to fold that corner up like that. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, and now open them up, and if you look inside, you see this shape, of course. Okay, and now you want to pinch, fold this corner, and fold the other corner. Then you see on the top of this triangle, you want to fold right across from there. Okay, right there, right across like that. Then you want to fold this whole thing down like so. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on the other side. So you see these two corners right here. You want to fold those two corners up like so, and same thing on this side like that. Then you want to unfold it, and now open up the model, fold the corners like that, then fold right across from the point of these triangles right here. You see this triangle, so fold right across from it, so it should look like this, and then you're going to fold down the whole model. Okay, and make sure the edge, you see this edge, is facing towards you. Okay, so the slant should be facing away. And now you want to take this bottom flap and you want to hide it inside here. Okay, so you want to open that up, open up this pocket, and you're going to flip this triangle piece over. Okay, kind of push that in and fold it back down. Okay, then you want to hide this whole thing inside like so. Okay, and now you see that top flap, you want to fold that right across like that. Then you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, like so. And now you see this triangle, you want to hide that inside. So you can pre-crease it, I guess, fold that triangle down. And open up this pocket and fold that inside. Okay, and same thing on this side. So fold that triangle down and open up this pocket underneath and hide in that triangle. Okay, and now you see that top flap right here. You want to fold this up all the way up. So this is going to be the match lock. And now, if you flip it over to this side, you want to fold this edge right up to this corner right there, okay? To the front. So fold that over and stop right where that corner is. See right there. Okay. And now fold the front portion in half. Fold this down. That and fold it forward like that. Okay. And now you see the backs, you see the handle right here. You want to fold this whole thing down right up to this corner right there. Okay. So fold that down right until this corner. Like so. And you want to curve out the front of the handle. Okay. Like that. And now we want to fold this portion in half and curve that piece out for the match lock. Okay, and now you want to fold the top edge down to make the barrel. And right here, just try to fold that corner down. Okay. As best you can, because that will stick out a little bit. Okay, here it is. So yeah, now you can arm your samurai army. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.